Welcome back to Strongman Personal Finance. Did you enjoy my imitation of Jeremy Lefebvre? One of the biggest shills on YouTube that is pumping this totally disgusting garbage stock, Voyager Digital Limited. Now, we're going to go over Voyager today, and I'm going to show you why this is a steaming pile of garbage and why I would rather eat my own vomit and then vomit it back out again and then eat it again than buy this garbage, crypto-backed stunk. Welcome back to Strongman Personal Finance. If you like me, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'm a great guy. I tell you to buy VT and tax-advantaged accounts. Now, let's go check out Voyager Limited. What is Voyager? It's a public company. Let's go read about it. What is Voyager all about? We believe that crypto assets are the future of finance and investing. All right, that sentence right off the bat tells me that whoever's running this company is a complete freaking moron. First of all, crypto is not an asset. I would almost consider it a liability because it's just going to have you lose all your money and have you end up down at the truck stop selling your butt in retirement. And you'll be paying 5 strongman tokens. We believe they are the future of finance and investing. Okay, look, cryptocurrency is not an investment. This is very simple, ladies and gentlemen. If something doesn't produce goods or services, or it doesn't produce cash flows, it's not an investment. Does cryptocurrency produce cash flows? No. Then how does it go up? Only because of the greater fool theory. Cryptocurrency is a fundamentally worthless pile of dog crap. And I personally believe it is one of the biggest bubbles, one of the biggest frauds, one of the biggest pump and dump schemes in all of human history. And nothing will change my mind. I don't care what you people say about this technology. It's a pump and dump scheme. People only buy it and it only goes up because of supply and demand. There's no cash flows. There's no way to value cryptocurrency. Together, well, I'm not going to be with you. We are creating the broker that the crypto market deserves. There's only like 20,000 brokers out there, but apparently Voyager is going to be special and just dominate everybody. We are a team of finance and technology industry veterans dedicated to empowering, bankrupting, and servicing investors in the most exciting asset class to date, crypto. I'd rather buy bonds. I think bonds are more exciting than freaking cryptocurrency. Jesus. You know why? Because at least bonds will help me build wealth and will lead me to an exciting and delicious future in retirement. Whereas crypto doesn't excite me because it's going to help me lose all my freaking money. All right, so this is the about of the company. These are the clowns that are running this company. I mean, these people have totally delegitimized themselves by saying cryptocurrency is the future of investing. Get out of here. I don't care how many people say it. It's freaking worthless trash. So let's go look at their interest program, because one of their selling points is that, well, you can invest your money. You can invest your money in cryptocurrency, and you're going to get interest. Well, strongman, isn't that a cash flow? Well, let's do a little bit more digging about what type of interest you're actually getting. Let your crypto work for you. With the Voyager interest program, are they paying it in dollars, a legitimate currency, or are they paying it in cryptocurrency? You can actively trade, aka generate fees for Voyager, and earn interest at the same time. Wow. So they give you all the interest rates here, annual percent rates. So these are annual rates, which if you think about it right off the bat, ladies and gentlemen, how much is a 10-year treasury paying? Like 1.5% or something like that? How much is your savings account paying? 0.01%. Now, when you see any kind of website offer you crazy interest rates that are like 100, 200, 900 times as big as what you would normally get, it's probably an indicator that there's some kind of sketchiness or scam going on. So you look at the interest rates. Okay, you put your Bitcoin in there, you get 5.75%, Ethereum 4.6, Polkadot 12. Oh, they have their own token, Voyager token. I'm sure that's going to the moon. 7%. Okay. But when they pay you the interest, they pay you the interest in the cryptocurrency. So if I create a random garbage crypto out of thin air, I can pay you a zillion percent interest and just give you more worthless units of cryptocurrency that are a terrible store of value. That's the interest that they're offering you, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. I mean, just look at the numbers. It's obviously a freaking scam. You don't get interest rates like this, okay? 12%, that probably beats the stock market. Right off the bat, that convinces me that this is all freaking scam. All right, so let's go look at their investor presentation. I want to learn about all the exciting things that this company is going to do for me. So Voyager, the fastest growing digital asset broker. Well, if you start from square one, if you're just like, if you have zero revenues, and then you make like 2 million in revenues the next year, yeah, you're the fastest growing broker because you're starting from nothing. It doesn't mean anything. Bunch of freaking garbage. Legal disclaimer, blah, 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 blah. Forward-looking statements. Were they projecting $1 trillion in revenue by next year? The Voyager difference. Here's how they differentiate themselves. Easy to use mobile and desktop, because there's no other apps out there like Coinbase or Robinhood. Everything is so difficult. It's so hard to buy cryptocurrency. But Voyager is going to come in and save the day. Earn interest up to 10%. Yeah, interest in the cryptocurrency. You're not getting dollars. You're getting more tokens, more worthless tokens. 60 plus crypto assets and stable coins. It's also on Coinbase. Interest on over 25 coins. Faster execution and deeper liquidity. Proven. And a community, of course. I don't really care about anything else. All that matters to me is a community. Because if we have a strong community, then we can all get rich together. All right, investment highlights. Massive growth opportunity. Opportunities across crypto, banking, brokerage, and general consumer services. There's no opportunities in crypto. There's only pump and dump schemes. If you get in early on a new crypto, you might make some money because people that get in early, they propagandize their crypto token so that other clowns go in and buy it, elevating the price. And then the people that first got in sell the cryptocurrency. That's all it is, ladies and gentlemen. Attractive business model. Multiple revenue streams, powerful unit economics. Yeah, your revenue's based on cryptocurrency, which I think will eventually get banned. Scalable infrastructure. Wow, trusted and transparent. Yeah, massive market opportunity. They took a whole slide for that. What a freaking waste of paper. Oh, here we go. Massive market opportunity. Now, here's what really makes me sad about cryptocurrency. So they kind of show you like all the global investable assets. Then they show you the gold's market cap, and they show you crypto's market cap. Now, if you think about it, $1.7 trillion is invested in cryptocurrency. Think what that money could have done if instead of being invested in a fundamentally worthless pump and dump scheme asset, that money had been given to like young entrepreneurs or people with bright business ideas. And those people could have used that money to build great companies in the future that are going to make our lives better. But instead, all this capital, $1.7 trillion, has been allocated into a massive pump and dump scheme. That is a massive waste of freaking resources, okay? And I guess they're implying that, crypto is, because it's such a small part of the global investable assets, it can only go up. I mean, pretty soon crypto will be the only investable asset. It's common sense. Wow. Digital assets unlock a massive opportunity. Universal borderless currency. Yeah. So if I want to commit a crime or traffic in, children, I can just instantly pay my suppliers, Diversified against traditional store of value. Cryptocurrency is not a store of value. Please. Declining confidence in government currencies. That's freaking laughable. Okay. Everybody accepts money in US dollars. Everybody believes in the dollar. Anything else is freaking propaganda. Think about it. When you're trading cryptocurrency, when you buy it and then you sell it, you actually make your money when you convert it back into the US dollar because it is a legitimate currency. Nobody actually considers any of these cryptos to be real currency. They are only gambling tokens, and people only want to use them to build their dollar wealth. I mean, go look at the Dogecoin millionaire. He's a millionaire because he's measuring it in US dollars. These people, expensive and slow traditional systems. Yeah, when I swipe my credit card, it's just so slow. Lack of trust in the banks. God, this is freaking laughable. This is freaking laughable. Come on. You need to stop watching all these clowns on YouTube that are trying to like convince you that the banks are bad and the government currencies are all going extinct. And instead, you should just buy a bunch of cryptocurrencies. Come on. Look how much they fluctuate. Are you kidding me? They are not a store of value. I have zero confidence in freaking Bitcoin or any other currency. Jesus, this how can you possibly buy into this? It's crazy. Key metrics, account acquisition, monthly revenue. So right here, this is why this is such a freaking scam. Okay. They're making $100, or they're saying they're going to make $100 per account per month. What does that tell you? That tells you there's people going into this brokerage and they're churning their investments. They're buying and selling crypto, paying a lot of taxes, paying a lot of transaction fees. And Voyager is just pocketing it all. Okay. $100 per account. Imagine that. That's a lot of freaking money. That's a lot of churning going on. Now imagine if cryptocurrency gets banned. How much revenue is this company going to make? Zero. Okay. That's why I don't like these cryptocurrency only companies, because at the end of the day, if cryptocurrency goes away, they're all going to go bankrupt instantly. These companies are massively risky. Okay. And you know the government's going to crack down on these cryptocurrencies. Come on. You know how many scams are out there? User growth, 35%. Yeah, we're in a massive, stupid bull market and all these clowns are gambling. But once cryptocurrency gets crushed, you're going to see a lot less people trading it. Fiscal third quarter highlights. Revenue, $60. Operating margin, 50%. Okay. Assets under management, $3.3 billion. Voyager timeline. Now, they actually had, here's another selling point. Bitcoin investors, altcoin, whatever. They actually had a timeline, and it looks like they're going to start adding like other assets you can buy. And that would include future growth opportunities, where we are going. Well, they're going to have a debit card, a credit card, margin, new assets, traditional banking products, equities, international mergers and acquisitions, self-custody wallet. So in the long run, they're kind of ambitious and they want to have more than cryptocurrency, which is not a bad thing, because I think if you're solely dependent on cryptocurrency for your company's revenues, you're a freaking fool. But here's something else I wanted to highlight. All right. Look at the competition. They literally list all of their competition. Now, they're trying to sell how amazing they are because they sell 60 coins. Coinbase only has 45. I don't know if that's true. Interest-bearing assets, interest, commission free, but somehow they're making $100 in revenue. Unaffiliated exchange routing and publicly traded. Cool. But if you think about it, with all this competition and all these upstarts that are going to keep popping up, they're going to have a hard time competing. Okay. This is a very low barrier to entry market. And the more competition, the lower your profit margins and the higher risk you might actually even be driven out of business. So I'm just not confident. If this is the only exchange or the only broker and there were super high barriers to entry and cryptocurrency somehow had a bright future and it wasn't going anywhere and it wasn't a massive pump and dump scheme, okay, maybe this would be a good investment. But as of right now, massive competition, low barrier to entry, no moat. Not a good investment, ladies and gentlemen. Jesus. All right, we can quickly jump over to Morningstar. Look at this trash. Let's see. Revenue. So they had $1 million in revenue in 2020 and then $67 million over the last 12 months, which you might say, wow, that's amazing, crazy growth, strong man. But remember, all these young clowns are getting into cryptocurrency and they're churning their accounts. And this is only going to last as long as cryptocurrency keeps giving crazy returns. If anything happens to the crypto markets and people lose a lot of money and they lose their faith in the magical 10x abilities of crypto, this revenue ain't going anywhere. Okay. This revenue will probably crash pretty significantly. It's freaking ridiculous. I mean, it's such a new company too. I mean, and there's so many other established companies. Why would you even possibly consider investing in this crap? Okay. It's just complete garbage. Like every box that you would tick to consider buying a long-term investment, this doesn't tick it. Okay. There's nothing about this company that appeals to me. Jesus. All right. Let's see if we have any comments. No comments. Wow. My screen froze. Hope you can still hear me. Anyway, y'all have a wonderful, delicious day.